The breed originates from Burma, was introduced into Europe in 1932 approximately, and then brought over into the U.S. after that. It's a breed that was almost eliminated in Europe during World War II, and then again a few outcrosses were brought into the breed to bring back the breed into the U.S. They're almost classified as a dog-like cat, a cat that likes to follow you around the house, loves lots of attention, very people-oriented cats. The cats that I bring to the cat shows, I do not cage. I let them run around in my car, and they love to be in the driver's seat, sitting with you. Again, they're a very good companion cat, so they're not a troublesome cat in the car, and they do travel well. They enjoy the trips out to the cat shows. All purebred cats, to my knowledge, are indoor cats, and with the diseases that are prominent in outdoor cats, we do not recommend any cat being an outdoor cat. They do like to talk to you when they want attention. They will speak to you in their own distinctive little voice, but it's not an annoying type of meow. Very, very soft in tone, and very lovable sound out of this cat. All our cats are bred within the household, and we have found that the Burman cat is very, very sociable. It likes attention from everyone in the family. It's not necessarily a one-person type of cat, like you will get some breeds that will attach themselves to one person. This is a cat that loves to play, especially with some of the cat toys that they have out there. It's an enjoyable time to play with the cats, and they like to participate with everybody. They can be manhandled, so to speak, and they enjoy that type of rough housing and playing, and a child can be like that at times, and with their temperament they take a little bit of abuse from kids, but they do love the play. Our cats get introduced to many different types of households with a variety of animals, not only cats of the same breed but of other breeds as well as dogs, and they adapt very well to new environments with other animals. A Burman doesn't have an undercoat like a Himalayan or a Persian, so it's classed as a very low maintenance cat. The brush just slides right through the hair. Even though it's classed as a long hair cat, combing them is very, very easy. It picks up all the loose hair, and really a Burman is a cat that doesn't need the attention as far as the grooming aspect goes, as a lot of long hair cats are. Ideal owner would be anyone that likes cats, likes to have attention, likes a cat that participates in outings. We've sold cats to people that have their cats on boats, sailboats. So any person that wants the company of a cat would make a fine owner.